All right, so 2014 Tundra. Gonna have to take the headlights out to be able to replace the bulbs. You can go through the fender liner, but it's a huge pain in the butt to actually try to get these things installed like that. If you're gonna replace bulbs, just normal bulbs, you can do it, but to do the LEDs, it's easier just to take both headlights out. Because as you can see, there's no access here because it's actually inside the fender. So we're gonna have to take the grill off, take these pieces off here, and then the headlights will come right off. So you got a push pin here, and then a bunch of 10s, and there's clips holding the grill on. Towards the bottom, these clips are kind of hard to get undone. They like to break, so hopefully I don't break them. I've taken this grill off a couple times, but I know this side it doesn't want to be taken off too many times, but this one might break. Just gonna pull up on it a little bit. The grill will kind of come loose. Really, all you got to do is yank on it, but after a couple times, the clips get kind of weak. That side came off good. Just gotta be kind of careful not to scratch your stuff up. No problem. Put this in the grass. And this is some more push pins. That one broke. Missing that one. We got some 10s right here. So I've already loosened those up earlier because I was kind of looking at it. Then you can get that guy off. Put that here. Just clipped in up here and unclip it. It's just clipped into there. That came off. Hey. So 10mm back out, headlight, got one on the side. Bracket's off. That's not supposed to come off. This is actually supposed to be kind of clipped in there real good, but I've taken this off a couple times, so. Do the other side. is you have to lift it up a little bit and pull it towards you. Alright. Again, earlier I was messing with the headlight. I already took the bulb out of it. I'll show you on the other side how to do it. Okay. I'll leave this guy here like this. Alright, up. Up. We're gonna pull up. Pull towards you. Alright, that's how you get the headlights out.